In this video, we're going to talk about how you would change an existing application submitted into the Verizon App Store to an in-app application. So what we'll do in this example is have an existing application. So this one is going to be called Previous App. And this was an Android application that was submitted. You can see once again from the column on the in-app that it is not in-app enabled. So if I select this, scroll down, you'll see the Enable In-App Items button. Now this button will only appear if the application, the parent application, has successfully completed the business approval. And if you want to see where your app is within the process, you can select any one of your device tiles, scroll down, and you'll see the business approvals status bar. So in this case, we see that it's gone through content programming, standards, legal, and tax. So you won't see that enable button until these things have all been completed. Jump back to the applications list. Once again, select the previous app. And in this case, we'll select Enable In-App Items. So this will confirm that you do want to enable this to be an in-app application. I will say yes. And because you've selected an existing application, there are a couple things that you'll need to do in order to enable in-app. The first thing is to submit your export control compliance. So if you hadn't already said yes to this when you initially submitted your parent app, you'll need to do it at this point. So you will download the form from this link. Once you have the form open, you will fill out the editable PDF, and then you will save that, print it off, and then sign it and upload it back in this section right here. You will then select the next button and move you to the next step in the process. So here for the parent app, we need to change the existing pricing. So for the parent app, you only have 3 different billing options. The first one is that it can be a free application, or you can use unlimited download price or a per download price. Now this is for the parent application. The in-app items within the application can include subscription. So in this case, we will select unlimited download, and we're going to say that this is 99 cents. Now the pricing that you set at this screen will overwrite any previous pricing that you had originally set up. So if you did have a subscription or different pricing options, this will overwrite that. We'll select next. And then there's just a message to be sure that you update your binaries with your new in-app enabled binary. So we want to make sure all the devices have the appropriate binaries. Select next. And then it'll bring you to the in-app content types where you can enter the different available in-app content types. So in this example, we'll do wallpapers. I do it as a per download, 25 cents to $1.99. We'll scroll down and we'll add it. And you see now that this in-app content type was added successfully, and we've now just added in-app to an existing application.